How do you do? It's Lukie-Poo at Kuhn Truck and RV, or Little RV Specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey-Poo, and my kids call me Dad, but you can call me anytime at 440 Ohio RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see pricing and information on this unit. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer offering warranty, financing packages, a full-service department, and camping after your purchase at our historic Crystal Fountain Park. We think you'll enjoy your time learning about your new RV and hearing the story of how we restored our small town's iconic landmark. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440 Ohio RVs. Again, that's 440 OHIO RVS. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this 2001 Born Free 26RB. This is a harder to find Born Free here, given that it has the legendary 7.3-liter Powerstroke diesel engine.
Super Duty Powerstroke. Its legendary pulling power is known the world over.
Mixture of hard surface and carpet flooring makes it easier to keep things clean in here. Air conditioner here in the center of the coach is going to be operated via the knobs on the unit itself. That will run on the shore power plug-in or the generator only. Going to operate the propane furnace here. That's ducted down by the floor. Fantastic fan runs on the coach battery system. You can use this like your attic fan at night. It's going to bring your cool outside air in through this window, or also your kitchen window. Day-night shade on this one, standard blinds on the other two windows. The speakers here will play whatever the driver and passenger are listening to up front. Shelf up here with AC 110 power. Nice little charging station for your phones or tablets. Flex steel seating with 2 seat belts here, 2 up front, so a total of 4 belts in this unit. AC 110 power here makes this a nice mobile workstation. If you want to set up your computer, do some gaming or work, research, whatever you're doing, maybe checking out where you're headed here in this beautiful country next in your Born Free. Store your whiskey bottle down there. These seats do swivel, so you can get the position that is just right for you. If you've never sat in these flex steel seats, it's one of my favorite things about the Born Frees. They're so much more comfortable than the regular RV seats. Jackknife sofa here, you can sleep on it as is. Pick it up here and pull it out. I'm going to show you that here in just a few moments. Get you some measurements so you can see what that looks like made up. Manuals. Another little shelf up in there. We do have a smaller bunk on this one. Gonna go ahead and drop some pictures now so you can see what this all looks like made up here with this jackknife sofa bed and get some measurements. The sofa in the upright position measures approximately 75 inches north-south or front to back and 21 inches east-west or side-to-side in the RV. When folded into a bed, it measures approximately 75 inches north-south or front to back and 46.5 inches east-west or side-to-side in the RV. The cab over bunk measures approximately 38 inches north-south and 80 inches east-west at the widest point and 60 inches east-west in the nose of the cab over. Storage beneath the jackknife sofa is accessible from inside or outside of the RV. Various light switches, railing to help you get up and in. Spot to tuck sunscreens and things you want to grab as you head out of the coach. These are those furnace ducts, noxious gas detector. You can cut a board here to cover up this stairwell if you're concerned about kids or pets falling in there. Nice screen door here if you're parked somewhere beautiful. There's a snap-on curtain here on this window, so there's a window on that part of the door. Fire extinguisher for life safety. You can access this cabinet here that's got AC 110 and 12-volt DC power in there. Make that nice for setting up various things that you want to grab as you head in and out of the coach. You can also get to it through this one. Got a poke there in the fabric where I believe somebody probably had a cable chased through there at one point. The world-famous Born Free pull-out pantry for all the camping delicacies.
First, you take the gram.
Moving now to the kitchen area. Get your coffee pot. You can plug that in here to the AC 110 power. Also a nice big counter space here for air fryer, things like that. Another AC 110 plug in here. Start-stop the Onan 4K propane generator. Storage overhead. It's your freshwater tank. 3 drawers. Got some various markings, as you can see here, throughout in your kitchen area. Nothing that affects the fun or usability of the RV here. More storage down beneath. and the rest of the fresh water tank. Furnace return beneath the two-way Norcold fridge freezer. Always nice having the actual freezer for ice cream.
2 scoops, sir?
2, make it 3. I'm not driving.
And other camping delicacies. Good size space here for things that you're taking along for your Born Free adventure. Electrical panel down there by the floor. Nice setup for all your clothing, jackets, things like that, with a nice light inside. There's a safe in the bottom of that cabinet there. And down beneath, we have access that you can get into from inside or outside of the coach. Moving now into the rear bath. Full-size mirror on the bathroom door. 2 nice mirrors inside here with storage. It's a fire escape. There's no screen in that, so you won't use that for ventilation. Nice size counter space here. AC 110 power for your curling iron and different bathroom doodads. Storage beneath. Not much of a step up and into the shower, so very accessible. And then going to drain right there into the floor. Kind of hidden by the shower curtain. Nice, good size space in here. Very accessible. Could even put a chair in here. Exhaust fan overhead. Actual porcelain stool. Water heater on off. That ignites itself. Using the gas element, you can plug it in with the yellow cord if you'd like to run that on AC 110 power. Hang your things inside the closet here, AC 110 and 12 volt DC power. You can drop this board here if you want to cover that up.
What do you call 2 guys hanging out by your window? Curtain rod.
Pull this curtain across the front while you are parked for privacy. Some space here. Bunk up front. TV's on a swivel mount, has a built-in DVD player. It's a 24-inch TV. Swivel that out to face the rest of your seating area. Harder to find Born Free here with the rare 7.3-liter Powerstroke diesel engine.
The most powerful diesel pickup engine ever. The new Powerstroke Turbo Diesel.
This unit's gone through our full process here at Kuhn Truck and RV. We're going to go through a full demo with you at the time of sale, answer any questions you may have, make sure you're fully comfortable with your new RV before you head off for parts unknown. We highly recommend you stay with us your first night here at Crystal Fountain Park in small town Sherwood, Ohio. It's going to give you a good opportunity to digest everything from the day of your sale. Make sure, once again, that you're fully comfortable with things. If there's anything we need to button up, we'll be right here to do so alongside of you, or just to teach you the ropes as you get started on your RV adventure. This has some cosmetic blemishes here and there. For a 2001, these are things you would expect. So comparing this to other 2001s of what you would commonly see out there in the world, cosmetically, I'm going to call this a 7.5 out of 10. Again, it's gone through our full process. We're going to show you everything working. Check this out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Up here in the cabin area, we have power windows, locks, mirrors, tilt, and cruise. Newer head unit with various connectivities for your phone. Couple little blemishes on the flex steel seat on the passenger side, and a little bit there when people are sliding in and out of the driver's seat. HWH leveling system on this. You can control those here. Tuck various things that you want to have up in the cabin area. Charge your phone or plug in your GPSs here. Trailer brake controller. Not noticing any signs of smoking here in the form of burns, stains, tears, no funny smells. Cigarette lighters in use, while it's tough to say for certain, I'm going to call this a non-smoker. Backup camera monitor. Alrighty, folks, we're going to go around the outside of this 2001 Born Free 26 RB. This motorhome measures 26.5 feet bumper to bumper. We have dual rear wheels. This Born Free is built on a Ford E450 chassis with the legendary 7.3-liter Powerstroke diesel engine. Storage bay. Easy to get up and into the coach with a handle to help you do so. Porch light. Back of the refrigerator. furnace exhaust, 2 AC 110 plug-ins. So you can plug things in out here outside the coach. This is our engine exhaust. Access this from the inside through the doors here. It's the water heater. You can plug the water heater in with that outlet there, or that port through the motorhome. This is our propane tank. It's mounted to the unit. There's a gauge on the tank itself, so you can see how much is in there and turn that on and off if you'd like. Run that power port out here to plug your water heater in to use that on 110 AC electricity. Back of the water heater, storage bay here with the 30 amp shore power cord, tow package, access the plumbing behind the shower, ladder for rooftop access. It's nice having that tow package, take your e-bikes, other things along with you, like a tow vehicle. Coming around now to the driver's side. Closer look at the striping. Fill the onboard fresh water tank here. That will travel wherever the RV goes. You use the water pump to get the water out of there. City water here, you'll get the pressure from the water hose. Operate the outside shower, wash your feet off after a hike, keep the mess outside of the RV. A little light out here to help you get things done at night. Add the diesel fuel here for that 7.3 liter Powerstroke diesel engine. 30 amp shore power connection. Inflate, deflate, check the pressure on your rear airbag suspension. 2 coach batteries. Onan 4K propane generator. Storage beneath the jackknife sofa that is accessible from inside or outside of the coach. Window awning. Pull this out, give yourself some shade while you're parked. Check this rare born free with the 7.3 liter Powerstroke diesel engine out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers.
Howdy folks, this is Levi Kuhn today with a rig report on this 2001 Born Free 26RB. This coach is a little bit rare because it has the legendary 7.3 liter Powerstroke diesel.
My Ford truck and me on the road again.
Which makes this coach pretty hard to find. One of the larger things to notate on the chassis side of things, the rear end was making some noise when we received this coach. My mechanics pulled that rear end apart. We've got some new pinion bearings, a new carrier bearing, as well as some new wheel bearings outside of the hubs. So that thing's been taken care of. It's all good to go now. As far as the rest of the side on the chassis things, the engine oil, the main chassis service has been done, as well as our DOT inspection to make sure that this coach is safe and ready for you to hit the road. And it is now time for the interior or the coach side of things. For those of you that don't follow our channel, the rig report here is intended to give you some of the highlights. I'm not going to go through all the little things and just keep babbling on and on and on stuff that we did to this coach. We put all of our coaches through the same inspection, and we do all of that process before we ever list our coaches for sale. So a couple things to notate on the coach side of things. The flooring here, this is brand new vinyl. Things were just a little bit dated, a little bit dirty, so we put new vinyl back here. And we put new carpet up here in the front in the living area. So the flooring throughout is new. Somebody prior to us had removed the media center. So any of you that ask that question frequently, if you see this video, yes, the media cabinet can be removed and put back to a bunk if you want to. This one is, this was the way that the previous owner or somebody before us had done this. We did clean things up a little bit, so you could remove the rest of this and have the full bunk out here to the edge if you really wanted to, but I think they just wanted a single bed for a child or something like that. So got the egg crate foam up here. You could get yourself a little bit of a custom mattress or a different mattress to put up there. We had to do a little bit of a cleanup, and we also installed a new TV. They had the TV over here, but just had to do a little bit of cleanup there and installed a new TV with a built-in DVD player right in the TV. And then up front here, we did also install a new radio here. This is one of the, they call these floating screens. So you can actually slide this up and down a little bit if you need to adjust it. We've got it down so you can still access the HVAC controls there. But again, the coach has the legendary 7.3 liter Powerstroke diesel, which makes this a pretty rare and hard to find coach. We've got a new fantastic fan up here. If you have any questions on this one, give us a call here at Kuhn Truck and RV at 440 Ohio RVs.
You made it through. Yeah, my Ford truck and me.